acid base, we're going to learn about physical properties of the acids and base. We're going to classify if the solution is acidic, basic, or neutral. And we're going to study or compare Arrhenius, Bronsted, and Lewis model of acid base. And these are the terms that we're going to cover. Now for an acid base, these are the properties of acid. It's sour, tastes sour. Think of lemon. Base is a little bit slippery or bitter. Battery. Acid and base are good conductors of electricity. Now for acid, it turns litmus paper into red, blue litmus paper into red. Base turns it blue. Now, all waters have hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. In an acid solution,
acidic solution contains more hydrogen ions than hydroxide ions.
Okay, so water has both. Acidic will have more hydrogen.
Basic solution contains more hydroxide ions than hydrogen ions.
Okay. Now, also another indicator of hydrogen would be hydronium ions. Now this one is water plus extra hydrogen. So when water and water liquids gains, one of them donates a hydrogen, one accepts a hydrogen, and becomes a hydronium. Okay.
Arrhenius model. A model of acids and bases states that an acid is a substance that contains hydrogen and ionizes to produce hydrogen ions in aqueous solution, and a base is a substance that contains a hydroxide group and dissociates to produce a hydroxide ion in aqueous solution.
So Arrhenius is saying that acid defines acid as the one that has hydrogen ion in it, and a base has hydroxide ion. So if you have HCl, it has hydrogen ion, so that's your acid. Sodium hydroxide, it has OH or hydroxide ion, that's your base. That's his definition of acid base.
Bronsted-Lowry model. A model of acids and bases in which an acid is a hydrogen ion donor and a base is a hydrogen ion acceptor.
Okay. Bronsted defines him as hydrogen ion donor and hydrogen ion acceptors. Acid is a hydrogen donor, a base is a hydrogen acceptor.
Conjugate acid. The species produced when a base accepts a hydrogen ion from an acid.
Okay, I will give you the one that accepts, that's the conjugate, but I'll give you an example in a little bit.
Conjugate base. The species produced when an acid donates a hydrogen ion to a base.
So the one that donates is the conjugate.
Conjugate acid-base pair consists of two substances related to each other by the donating and accepting of a single hydrogen ion.
Okay, let's see an example of that so it will be clear. So conjugate acid is when a base accepts a hydrogen ion. Conjugate base is an acid donates a hydrogen ion. Okay, so let's look at this example right here. Hydrogen fluoride hydrogen fluoride and water. Okay, hydrogen fluoride has hydrogen, so it's an acid. Water is a base because it has OH. Now, hydronium accepted the hydrogen, so that's your conjugate acid. Fluorine lost hydrogen, so it's a conjugate base. The one that lost the hydrogen is the conjugate base. Another example would be NH3 and water. Water has the hydrogen, so that's your acid. And NH3 is the one that accepted the hydrogen, so that's your conjugate acid. OH is the conjugate base because that's the one that lost hydrogen.
Amphoteric describes water and other substances that can act as both acids and bases.
Okay, so the one that could act as acid and base, that's amphoteric, and that's the water. All right, so that's pretty much all the properties and definitions of acid and base. Next time we'll practice, next video, let's do the Lewis model.
Lewis model. An acid is an electron pair acceptor, and a base is an electron pair donor.
So this one is based on accepting and donating electron pairs. So let's